Yo, what's going on, guys? Hope you have an amazing day. Today is a very special vlog. It's been a long time since I did a video on the Subaru stuff. Obviously the last time I did one was me just showing the Subaru to you guys on the channel. But today we have something exciting. This is going to be an exciting vlog. So this is going to be a mix of two videos because they're both Subaru content. But I'm actually expecting my high-power HKS catback exhaust to come in for my WRX I currently have, which you guys have seen on the channel, and we're going to be unveiling or showing officially the Subaru wagon that I ended up picking up from one of my dad's friends. So we're going to see what that needs to get done to it. So we have the Subi wagon. It is a blob-eye, just like my sedan, because you know, I got to stay true to the blob-eye fam. But yeah, anyway, so this is my first time seeing the Subaru in person. I haven't actually ever seen it in person, but I've seen it online. I've seen photos. I've been communicating with the original owner, one of my dad's friends, Bruce, and we're going to take a look at it. I know that it's a manual. I think it's a 5-speed manual. The engine has had some work done to it, and it's been sort of rebuilt, I guess. So we're going to have to see what it requires, but we'll see. This will be a future project on the channel. My plan was to LS swap it, but we'll see what happens. Anyway, guys, I will talk to you when we get there, because until then, there ain't a lot going on. So I'll talk to you in a bit.
Nyla, come. Smokey. Stop.
Come here. Smokey, sit.
So yeah, this is the wagon. It's in rough shape, but it's a work in progress. There's a 3-inch lift kit on it. It needs like space rim. Holy! Hold on, Dad. Can you rev it? Oh, that's insane! Oh my god! Right, so there's my new car, and everyone's leaving beer cans on my car. Why is my car the new beer can thing?
What's that?
Why is my car the new beer can holder?
Well, we're putting the beer cans on there so you can use it to patch your car with.
Oh,
You take it, cut it up, strap it on there, make it look really good.
you want
Kind of like one of these.
You want to go record my car?
Yeah.
Which button do I press?
Yeah.
Are you recording?
In the back of this Volkswagen or whatever. Yeah. Oh wow. Right. Yep. Okay. No. I'm not.
And shot.
Told you something.
God. Okay. Yeah, that's good. Alright guys, so the battery is pretty much fried in this thing, so we actually just bought a brand new one. We're gonna throw it in there and see if it starts up, and then tomorrow we're gonna maybe take it to the shop to see what it needs to get done.
Definitely.
Oh yeah, it's been there for now.
So,
Yeah, you take a little bit of time. But
are you ready?
yep. Sounds good.
Watch out, slowly.
Yeah, you found neutral.
Yeah. So the sound from the exhaust is definitely not even coming from the exhaust pipe, so I think the pilot cleaner will get some ruin. Alright guys, it is the 21st of August at almost 7:30 in the morning. I haven't done any content on the exhaust or anything since the day I got it, which was a few weeks ago. But we're now a few weeks past, and we are going 2.5 hours to my uncle's place to install the exhaust because he has the proper garage for it. So anyway, that's what we're going to do now. And yeah, I'm not going to record me driving because that's just going to be crappy country roads, but I will talk to you guys when we get there.
Yeah, sorry, I'd help you, man, but I got my story, so. I'm covering that shit fucking 5 days a week, man. You know what though? Nothing beats the smell of fucking training food and gear oil, man. So when you put this together on the bike,
Yeah.
it's gonna be messy as fuck.
Yeah.
You reach it, buddy? You want a cold one or you want a warm one?
Oh, there's one right up underneath here. Yeah. No room for that?
Which these two here?
Yeah. What's up right at the front, I think. You want to right at the front? You gotta go white? Which one?
Yeah.
Right at the very front. You want it, she said $250.
Okay.
Brand new.
Alright.
It's the one with the top or whatever, years and years and years ago, but it was just the one you put the screw on thing. I can never remember that. Beats fuck walking around with cans.
Alright guys, we just got done. As you can see, absolutely filthy, as I should be. But there we go, we got the exhaust on it. See it right there? It is massive. And on the side it says HKS. So yeah, I'm going to give you guys a little bit of a drive sound test. And yeah, let's get right into it. So yeah, that's what it sounds like. Absolutely so, like it's so sick. It sounds amazing. So now we're gonna go get the car cleaned, and that'll be a wrap for today's video. So I'll see you guys back in London when we get the car cleaned. Visibility is fucking zero. God damn.